Hello! Welcome back to the stream. Let me see if I can get my camera working for once. Nope, never mind. That's alright. We'll just set it to that, and then we'll set it back. Oh, jeez. One of these days I'll get a system that works. One day. There we go. Alright, we're back. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. I am a little annoyed. More video game crime jazz. Yes. Hell yes. I want to set up prettier and a linter for my project. So I'll show you where we're at over here. Alright, so the big to-dos today. Fear the bear. get an award to work at the summit to Lint and Prettier. Alright, so let's install all this crap. Ruh-roh. Never mind. Just want you. Resolve. Found ESLint. Okay. So I have ESLint and ESLint config Google. Alright, let's just delete the package lock. It's not that important. Uninstall all my ESLint stuff. Cool. And I'll try to reinstall this. Alright, I'm getting warns, but I'm not getting red, which is nice. Cool. Alright. Root of my project, create. Prettier RC dot. Oh. Those are actually important. Alright. Allegedly, that just did a lot. Okay. Cool. I don't like that it's 2 spaces. Let's go to our mislint. Prettier. Tab with 4. Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, that's better. Alright, I like that a lot better. Let me know if I get a little mumbly. I do apologize. I tend to get that way when I think. So I'm trying to add a linter and a prettier to this. Lint fix. Alright, most of the way there. Oh, allow any. Yeah. This is just hang on. This is just Cowboy Bebop. This ain't nothing. This ain't nothing new. B-band play at pinball. What? This is just Cowboy Bebop. B-band play pinball. Hang on. B-band. Yeah, this is just stolen. Alright. Alright, so now I have a linter and a formatter. It's a little loud, I do apologize. I got a linter and a formatter. Nice. So if I run npm run pf. Oh. And so I lint, and then nice. Sick. Now let's see how these look. Good to me. Nice. I would consider that a check mark for the day. Actually, it'd be nice if I didn't. Anyway. I've edited literally everything, so we'll add source. ESLint package.json .ESLint ignore .ESLint rc.json .prettier ignore .prettier rc. Cool. Alright, so that helps with my formatting significantly. Hell yeah. I believe. Nice. Cool. So I'm listening to a playlist called Video Game Crime Jazz, and someone just put in one of the comments. Let me see. I wasn't gonna do any crimes today until I saw this playlist. Hilarious. So the board game is actually progressing quite well. I think I finally figured out awards, which is one of the big major next steps. I should probably tell my Discord I'm live too. Alright, so what I just added was something called prettier and linter. I just need you, I know you need them in tandem in order to add a sort of cohesion to your code base. Prettier has rules such as, you know, how long tabs are. Do we have trailing commas, yes or no, based off of the ES standard? Are we going to use single quotes or double quotes? We also have our linter, which I've shut off a couple rules because I've been a little sloppy setting up my TypeScript project, but I do allow the any type for now. I allow some variables not to be used just for debugging purposes. Band types. This says that I shouldn't enable the double curly Q void, but and requires I just gotta. It's just a whatever. I gotta set connects to use an import as opposed to a require, but I just don't want to. I don't want to be the one to, you know, make sure that that's the case today. added the lint and prettier. The next major thing is we need to see if awards are actually functional. Not the interrupt awards, because there's some awards where you can win and then you get to choose a target for... So I guess the server needs to return a list of possible targets, and you need to choose from the list of possible targets who you're actually targeting. So I'm going to add that to the front end. Because I just did add a new, and not app, game header? Right here, require target, request target. Server needs to give list of applicable targets. I.e. read card, pick whom at table can be recipient of penalty. User picks target from list, sends back to server. Server commits action penalty against chosen target. This is a very complex game. Ugh. But I'd say at least halfway to 3/4 of a way through finishing out my award cards. It's just the remaining contract cards which are going to be a bear. But we're getting closer. So this is the front end. If I look on the back end, over our timeline, whenever a summit occurs, happens right here. We conduct our summit. And based off of our players' turns, we... Alright, this is just wrong. Test contracts and awards. So, active contracts and awards, I believe, if I go to my player, it says any, but I think these are just card numbers. Card ID. I don't know if this is right. This right here might be wrong logic. Unshift. Oh. I hate that phrase so much. This means add to beginning of list. Ugh. So it's an array of number, which is fine. Oh. Yes, he does. Hi, buddy.
Disappearance. Say hello.
Hi, buddy. Come here. Come here.
Oh,
Come here, buddy.
You. Let me get you. He said, don't get me. Let me get you. Ooh. Oh.
Come here, buddy. Oh, right for the earlobe. Say hello to Mrs. Sporp and Oliver, everybody.
I'm petting you like you're the dog.
You're a good buddy. You're a good buddy.
He's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
He's gonna go to the farm stand and pick out all our vegetables for the
Yeah, what a buddy.
What a good boy.
What a good buddy.
Can you see him? Show your cute face.
Hey, buddy.
Good boy. Could show them all his tricks, but it's not a great angle.
Yeah.
Touch! Did you guys see that? Touch! He's doing it. It's really cute, actually.
Ready? Touch.
Nah. Here.
You're right there.
Touch! Oh, you were doing it before. Touch! Oh!
Good boy.
He just wants the pets. He just wants the pets. He's a good boy. Well, Shine Next Saw thinks you're cute. What do you think about that, buddy? What do you think about that? Oh. With your bun. Oh. Oh, you're so sweet. He's so sweet.
Oh, my white pants are just
He's
covered in a sheet of
nuzzling. He's
black.
nuzzling. Breathing right into the mic. Good boy. Oh, he likes his mama. And he likes butt scratchies.
It's true. Loves butt scratchies.
Sweet boy. Okay, well, have fun with your coding.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great time.
Good.
I'm working down the rabbit hole for getting awards working to resolve it this summer.
Complicated.
Yeah, it's a very complicated game. Unnecessarily so. But figuring stuff out.
Good boy. Do you want to go on a walk? Do you want to go on a walk?
Woogie woogie.
You want to go on a walk?
Woogie woogie.
Yeah? Okay. How are you going to get down? This is way too high up. Wow! That's athletic.
Good boy.
See you later. Whoa, you can't stop that.
All right. Ugh. Okay then. Where are we at? So I have my active contracts and awards. Set to an array of any. Set these to array of number. Cool. Got our unshift. So we're playing our card, and I hate that it's undoing an action is attaching a number to an array. Ridiculous. I hate how this is phrased. Because there's push and pop, which makes so much sense, but shift, which is like realistically shifting the pointer in memory by the offset of the first element. Fine. Unshift, right element to place before the initial array's pointer, so like one byte over, and then write to that space and then move the pointer over to that space. Ridiculous. I hate it. Like, language-wise, it makes sense, but it's also just undoing something means adding something is just breaking my brain. All right. I think I earned a coffee break. I'm gonna go get a quick cup of coffee. Hang out in the jazz lounge. Let me know if there's something you want me to do or play. I am a senior full stack engineer. And as I always say, use me as a resource while you got me. Ask me questions. Please. I'm not going to be available forever. Take advantage. But in the meantime, go get yourself a snack, a drink, some coffee perhaps. And we'll be right back. All right, we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. Just grab my coffee. What are y'all doing out in the digital verse? Hope you're well. Do love some video game crimes. Steam. I can do one quick little TF2. Why not? Sport deserves a little TF2 as a treat. Oh! Apologies if that was quite loud. Let's get you watching what I'm doing. Ooh. Do a little demo night. And then we'll get back into getting the awards working today. It's basically the only thing on my to-do list. Because once awards work, then I guarantee that there is an active trigger at the end of the summit, which matters for like 80% of the cards. Oh. Hey! I'll take that. A little chaos in the mix. We could always try to set up the shocker again, too. Because I think that's the only reason people really stick around anyway. As opposed to my smooth radio voice and my dog water programming takes. And some dings. See? Wet fart gamer. I still think to this day TF2 names are one of the brightest sources of comedy in the comedy world. bad. Yeah, I didn't have enough wind up. Ah, I could have got the spy there. No, he did not. No, he did not. Very not cool. Super not cool. Who said that? I would have kicked him. If he was on my team, I would kick him. Go Pier. Hope we go Pier. No, Borneo it is. I do need to add the ticker. Let's do this is the right one. Let's do done. Award to work at the summit. Write award resolution to ticker. All right. I think next week I'm gonna get the shock stream working again. Seems to be the point of my highest engagement, so. Your speed. Hey, got him. I did not think I was gonna get that one. If it looks weird, just remember, I'm playing it on an LA server. Ping gets weird. Oh! Oh, thought I had him.
True, Betsy.
Finish this round and then we'll get back to coding. Oh, getting to pan a demo, man. That's a way to go. Fuck off. Oh! Four, three, the, go. Getting close. 8 minutes left. Just edging on the end. Yep, there we go. Done! Bang! Bing, bang, bang. I'm dying of cancer. Jesus. Alright. What do I get? Hey, summer 20. They got new cases! Oh my god, TF2 got an update! Holy shit! That's not a winter 23. What? Am I the only one excited about this? I've never opened a TF2 case except for like free keys that I got. Holy shit, they're actually paying attention to the game. Oh my god. A future. Future. Alright. I think we're done here. We will go to the right side. Ba-bam. I'm so hyped. I'm gonna take a quick pee. Because I just do that a lot. Common sport piss. And then we're going to code, which I'm excited about. We're going to try to get these awards working. All right. Okay. Let's get back into it. Welcome back. Just make sure my monitor is up and running. All right. Alrighty then. We're back at it. Let's get the back end running. Hopefully the lint didn't destroy my code base. Did not. Alright. Let's get to the front end. Start that up too. Okay. Cool. So we go to the left side. Now, the big to-dos are lint and prettier, done. It was to, come on, get over here. Yes. Get nowhere to work at the summit. And then write the solution to ticker. Okay. Alright. So, when this resolves, it is in the timeline portion. So the ticker is present at summit, which means I can pop ticker into my summit resolution. Ticker, which is an array of string. Activate card to do trigger. There we go. Nice. Nice. Prettier minus minus right. This feels Sonic-y. Okay. Good. All right. Okay. This is good. I'm liking this. Start new. I wish it didn't output this to console. Well, let's see. npm run lint. Whatever. App's running. We're gonna, so we go YY, BB, RR to give each of our players a token for playing the game. One person makes the lobby. 121, 121. Join, join. Fill out our players. Start the game. And I want an award that I can win. Someone should have it. Most PR, recharge all batteries. This should work. So I'm going to buy a battery. And in my active contracts and awards, it doesn't show up. That's not right. Play card with ID 1. And if I look at the code base for my backend, I guess I can look on the front end because that's where the actual assets are. Spring Summer card 1. Should be present. It might be messing around with how the cards are revealed, so let's take a look at that. So I did recently rejigger this. Mm-hmm. So another annoying thing is the payment modal still shows a target depending on, let's see, show hand. Charge a battery. We'll just donate. End turn. Damn. This isn't working for some reason. Unique key prop, that's whatever. For some reason, the contract I just played isn't showing up. This player here, player 1, played a contract. It's not showing itself. Well, I can always go into the database, check the game, check the player, and see if there's anything attached to that. So this is my database object. So for all three, it didn't attach, which isn't right. Damn. Try this again. I'm just gonna restart the game. Look up play card on app and see why it didn't attach. Unshift card ID to the player state. Let's try it one more time. I don't want to... This might be a major debugging rabbit hole, unfortunately. Which I'm never happy about. Lobby 122. Alright, let's find an easy contract and see if it attaches. No contracts. We're just going to donate. Bing bong. End my turn. Show my hand. No contracts. We'll just donate. Bing bong. End the turn. How about you? No Alright, we'll restart the game. Have no SPR, when it recharges all batteries and gains a battery. Okay. We will play this. Now let's check the database. Game 123. Gonna copy that whole thing. Now this should have been written. So if I go over to VS Code, pop up a new, and then go to active contracts and awards, one of these should have a card ID within it. Oh, and they're all blank. Damn. So unshift isn't working for some reason. Because I did move these over from shift to unshift. Alright, so we'll put this back to push. See if that changes anything. And if we go to the timeline, there's a Z portion. Wait, hang on. If we're always pushing, then the Z is the most recent one anyway. So that doesn't actually make a difference. So this should be fine. For some reason, I think this broke it. And I don't quite understand why yet. just want to play one award. Alright, target player is not iterable. Okay. That broke it. Let's try it again. It has an outdated action trigger, which shouldn't have triggered? Hang on. Please work. Okay. Play card. Let's check the database. Number 125. Grab the whole thing. This is my database object. Active contracts. One of these should have a number. None of them do. What the fuck? This should have been set. So push versus unshift isn't the issue. Try this instead. So this shouldn't play. Why are you playing? So it's the puppy bowl. So play card is playing this instead of start unshifting card with ID 0. Okay. Oh. I think I'm playing the action. Card.type, so play card. So for some reason the type isn't translating. Let's just start stripping out some stuff that we don't need. So new award, type Fuck, that'll do it. I never put in the type. This is what's killing me. So awards should have in fall winter type should be equal to award. So if I go to award meta, go to the contract, right, type equal to award. That should do it. Oh, that was complicated. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got a lot of cookies. Doesn't really make a difference, but bing, bang, bong. Create the lobby. 127. 127. Start the game. Now, skip you. Do you have an award? You do. Have the most incomplete contracts. Take a battery from a neighbor. Play the card. Play it. Check. Now it's present. Yes. All right. So now it's active on my player. Big news. Very big news. And I just cancel it out of this. And I don't have a good way to rejoin a lobby, so I got to make a new one. But one mission, like one problem solved on the way. Pretty happy about that. So now it's writing to the appropriate spot. The class has the appropriate field called type attached to it. Okay, good. We're looking good here. All right. I'll make another lobby. 128. So this will just be your username going forward. Show hand, nothing, and show hand, nothing, and show hand. Give me an award. No awards. Alright, we'll just end these. Okay. 12 in the reservoir. Lost 13. Show the hand. Finally, have the most PR. Winner recharges all batteries and gains a battery. Play that. Okay. Unshifting card with ID too. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. This right here in the console means that we are now appropriately putting awards in their correct place. I will donate to... What's my active? Have the most PR. So actually I want to buy PR. I'll buy one. And then I will donate energy to keep the world moving. End my turn. Next person. So this could be its own sub-menu, the whole camera thing. But this is nice to bring back so I can see my own active contracts and awards. Excuse me. Buy battery. Oop. Love that I misspelled that. Store energy on the battery and my turn. Last person. Sure, why not? I'll play that. So it's removed from my hand. It is part of my actives. Good. And I will donate it. Bam, bam. And turn. Next, I will buy a PR. And my hand is recharge a battery, so I'll buy a battery next turn. I'll buy a factory here. Pay for it, and my turn. Next person. Energy from a neighbor. I'll just donate. Keep the world cooking. Alright. This is the moment of truth. I have a award here that is recharges all batteries and gains a battery. So I'm going to buy a battery for 1. And then I'm going to donate the remaining. End that turn. Next person, I'm just going to donate everything. End it. Next person, I will buy a battery for 1. I will use my hand to oh, fuck. I messed up that order. I'll just donate 1. Now, what should happen? Yellow players should recharge their battery and gain a battery based off of this contract award because they have the most PR. So if I hit end turn, this should resolve. Fingers crossed. And it broke. Okay. Alright. This is an issue. Cannot read properties of undefined player state array. Award 54. Okay. So for some reason the function attached doesn't pass along timeline summit. Oh, that'll do it. Core card.action. Action needs game state and also needs player data. So this needs to have player data somehow. So this should say T. Player ID. That should do it. Because I'm not passing in the actual state of the game into the thing, so that'll cause issues. Cool. Alright, 1 sec. A little more que-vive. We're gonna try this again. Get an award going. Try to use set award at the summit to guarantee that our triggers are activating as we expect them to. Ba-bam. I think Skyrim music started playing. Yeah, it looks about right. Cool. This is definitely another to-do. Rejoining games. 129. Y. B. R. Join it up. Show the hand. Have the most PR. Bam. Play. Alright. Present there. Good. Because types are now included. Rollick, welcome back to the stream. Good to see you. How are you doing? Am I pronouncing your name correctly? Excuse me. We're just doing a little coding and debugging today. I'm good. I'm very good. In a weird spot because I recently told a company I was doing contracting work for that I got a full-time offer. I'm going to be taking that instead. Which, even though there's supposed to be no emotions in business, it always feels like a breakup, no matter when or how you do it. Have the most PR. Do I have any PR cards? I do. Yeah. Very nice. I'll buy a battery. Bam. End the turn. You'll donate energy. What I really want to see is if an award card functions at the summit. That's the big test. It's the big to-do. And you'll donate as well. In turn, you will buy another battery because you have the most PR. End it. Donate energy. Bang, bang. And donate energy. Bang, bang. And each player produces one less energy. Okay, good. Alright, I'll just donate that. Now, what I want to see is at the summit, the winner, whoever has the most PR, recharges all their batteries and gains a battery. We'll see if this works. Donate. There still might be something wrong with the actual function call. Yep. Alright. Award.action. Why are you still on the old one? Ugh. Stupid. Did I edit the wrong one? I guess I did. This action should have... player data. I messed this up. Alright, let's look at the code and what's going wrong here. So I think I edited the build file, not the actual TypeScript file, which is transpiled into the build file. Action has player data and then the game state. And player data is typically the one that we really care about is player ID, which I need to drop into here as a number. I need to drop that into there and into here. And finally, I need to drop you, TypeScript, into T, comma. And that's my player ID. Alright, let's shift back over. Try this again. I'm starting a job in about a month from now. I want to get this game up and running in at least a semi-playable state. Automated such that I'm not required to run it when that job starts. You're definitely one of the fans of the shock stream, is that correct? Start up. Alright. Show hand. Have the most PR. If we go back and CCA 3 minutes, my name is pronounced Rollick. Rollick, okay. Rollick? Let's see. Roleek. Roleek? Rollick or Roleek? Trying, man. I'm trying. Alright, winner recharges all batteries. Hey, we all gain a free charge battery. Sick. So I'm going to buy a factory. I'm going to make all these people buy a factory. And turn. Show hand. 1 PR. Pay it. Don't spray it. Donate the energy. Donate my energy. Turn. Alright, last one. Winner recharges all batteries with most PR. We'll buy a factory. Donate an energy. Now this is the big moment. Will we be able to actually get an award to work? Oh! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck, I think we did it! I think we recharged everyone's batteries. Everyone recharges all batteries. Oh. Now I have no idea. Award. Participation trophy. Test contracts and awards. Okay. I don't know if this actually did anything or not. Alright, we'll skip this person. They'll buy a factory. Nice. Good. Show hand. Have the most PR. Winner recharges all batteries and gains a battery. Nice. Play that. I'm gonna buy a battery. Oh, that's 2. And that's for the most PR. So hopefully I have some more PR in here. Yes, I do. Bing, bong. Okay. Good. You will buy a battery. Store an energy on it. And that turn. So, no active contracts and awards. We're just going to donate hard. Bing bong. Next person. Most PR recharges all batteries. Donate again. Same thing. We're just gonna do a. Hang on. We're gonna buy a factory for you. And turn. Last month of the season. I'll just donate. Last person. Alright, something's going on here. Show hand. So I definitely have the most PR. I should recharge all batteries and gain a battery. 2 charged, 1 not. And turn. Last person. Buy battery for 2. Store it. Donate the last. End it. God. Ugh. This is frustrating. Cannot set properties of undefined setting type. Ruh-roh. Alright. Before we start a game, try that out. Not seen any pertinent awards. Ding ding dong. Create the lobby. 1 through 2. 1 through 2. Y. A B. R. Yes! Yes! Oh, it's so minor, but it works. Winner. There we go. If we look here into the ticker, it should have popped up. Player 0 won award with card ID 2. Yes! Oh my god, that was so hard to friggin' do. I've been working on that for the past week, maybe even a little bit more. But we now attach a series of card triggers, and when the summit happens, we actually commit the trigger. Yes, I'm so happy about that. That's so cool. Oof. Alright. I think that means I need to call it then. Thank you for stopping by the stream, everybody. I had a fun time coding. Let me know if there's something you want me to work on specifically. But otherwise, I'm just going to keep working on my web app. Huge news. Big news. Because now we just need to do contracts and then awards and summit cards. Still a lot to do, but this is big, big step. Thanks for stopping by the stream.